Morning students. Hi students, how are you ma? Are you fine? Everyone is fine. Did you study previous class portion ma? Have you all learned? I am believing you, everyone studied I think, isn't it? So in previous class human evaluation, that lesson I not completed, that continuation, okay ma? Food and gathering, up to food and gathering I have completed I think. So anyway, listen the class, okay ma? So grandma, Tamilini, do you know the weapons that the early humans used for hunting? Okay, weapons, everyone know that, isn't it pa? They used such a type of stone tools, isn't it? Previous ancient period, what type of tools they used? Stone tools, okay, with the help of the stone, the sharp stone and all they used, okay students, they used this type of stones. Hunting was the main occupation of humans in the past. It was difficult for humans to kill big animals with a stick or a stone. So they decided to use the sharpened weapons. Okay students, so hunting is the main occupation of humans, okay, in ancient period. So what they did, they used with the help of the stone, they throw the stone and they kill the animals, okay ma. So that type of habit early humans have, okay students. So we also that same, isn't it? Now also what we will do, if any one dog is come and bite you, means what you will do, you will take the stone and you will throw, isn't it pa? So the human beings in ancient period, what they know, they used this type of stones, okay ma. So the shape of the stones is different, okay ma. In your book it is given students, see the shape of the stone, entirely it is different, okay ma. So the best stone for the making weapons was chikimukkikal. It is known for its strength and durability. Humans spent many hours in search of a flint stone. Okay students, so hunting is the main occupations. Then later weapons was chikimukkikal, okay ma. So that one type of stone. With the help of this stone, what they did ma, they spent many hours in search of flint stone. So they made sharp weapons and tools with the help of the stone and fitted them with wood to grip them. Humans created tools like axes with the big stones, okay. So later with the handle also they fixed, okay. Nowadays you know axe also what ma, different type of handles will be there, isn't it? So we are using such a type of knives, isn't it? So in the knife side also what ma, handles will be there, okay students, okay ma. So chikimukkikal, this is what you know that with the help of this what ma, get the fire, okay. So the early man learned that. Before and all you know the man eat the flesh. Later with fired items, fired meat they eat, fired flesh they eaten, okay ma. So like that it happened, the developments it happened. Then Tamilini, why were axes made grandma? Okay, asking why were axes made grandma? So grandma, the axes were made to cut trees, remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals and remove the skin of animals. Okay ma. So what they for cutting the trees, that purpose they used this axe. Then remove barks, dig pits, hunt animals, remove the skin of animals. That purpose this axe used. Okay. That's why the humans made this axe. So grandma, Tamil, do you know what the next stage was after making stone tools? Okay. Then they are asking, do you know next stage what? So Tamilini, I do not know grandma. What would it be? So grandma, humans discovered the use of fire. Okay ma, human discovered the use of fire. Okay, so the man learned that how to make the fire. So at first humans were afraid of fire and lightning and all. Probably fire caused by lightning had killed many wild animals. Humans tasted the flesh of the killed animals, which was soft and tasty. Okay students. So first what? At first the human is afraid while seeing the lightning and fire and all. Okay, then later they kill the wild animals and with the help of this, this fired flesh, it is very tasty and soft also. Okay, so the man learned that. So what? Everyone with the fired animals only they ate. Okay ma, later. So this made humans aware of the effects of fire. They used flint stone to make fire and used it to protect them from predators, for cooking food and for creating light during night. Thus fire became important for man in olden times. Okay, later what the man know the fire, how to make the fire. Okay, with the help of the fire, what they do? In the night and all, it is very dark. In the forest, it's so, too dark, isn't it, ba? Isn't it? Nowadays in our area, power cut, night power cut means what? Our nowadays inverter facilities will be there, isn't it, ba? Isn't it, ma? So inverter facilities are there in many houses. Some houses no inverter facilities, isn't it, da? If you have inverter facilities, no power problem, isn't it, pa? So no inverter, what? They have to power problems will be there, isn't it? But it is very dark. What we will, candles and all you will burn, isn't it? So like that it is. But the man know the fire. Later in the night and all, what they did? They burned the fire. So like that it is. Okay, ma. So the fire became important for man in olden times. Okay, in the olden days, it is very important for that. Then next, Tamilin. What next, grandma? Okay, grandma is explaining. You will be surprised to know that the next human invention was the wheel. Okay, next invention what, ma? Wheel. Okay, so this was the first scientific invention of humans using their brain and cognitive skills. Okay, ma? So wheel they invented. Next stage what, ma? Wheel they invented. The man invented. So we come to know the scientific invention it is. Okay. So with the help of the wheel, we can carry the things, isn't it, guys? Isn't it? So it is nowadays, you know, if you want to run the buses or cycles, what wheel is very important, isn't it, ba? Nowadays, different type of wheels will be there. Okay, okay, students. Okay, so it will be. So before and all, it is not like that. The man invented such a type of wheel. Okay, ma. So invention of the wheel. The invention of wheels by human is considered to be the foremost invention when humans saw the stones rolling down from the mountains. Probably they would have got the idea of making the wheel. Okay, why? How they come to know how this humans are invented the wheel? No, in the mountain area, what the stone is rolling down. Okay, so the man learned that. Okay, it is how it is rolling down. So with the help of that only, what, ma? Got the idea of making the wheel. Okay, they got little idea to make the wheel. Okay, this is the next invention. Then part making. Okay, ma. Next one what, ma? Part making. Humans learned to make part with the clay. The invention of wheel made part making easier, and the parts made were burned to make it strong. They decorated parts with a lot of colors. The colored dyes were made from the extracts of roots, leaves or barks. These natural dyes were used in rock painting. Okay, students. Next, the man invented the wheel. The man made the part. How they will make the part, you know, ma? So you know, with the help of the clay only, isn't it? It is easier to to make the part. Okay, students. So first, what they make the part without burned. Okay, then later, if it is burned, that part is very stronger. Okay, the man learned that one also later only. Okay, students. So they used the burned parts. Then later what, ma? They applied lot of colors and all. Okay, so nowadays also the part colors, somewhat colors it is, isn't it? Attractive colors, isn't it, pa? They decorate with the flowers and all, isn't it, pa? So here also humans also what they did, ma? They applied, they decorated the parts. Okay, ma? So the colored dyes were made from the extracts of roots, leaves or barks. Okay, this colors and all what nowadays under fabric color, many colors will be there, artificial colors, isn't it, pa? So now before and all it is not like that, ma. Natural colors only they applied. Okay, in the parts, in the part area. So these natural dyes were used in rock paintings. Okay, so in this natural dyes only were used in the rock painting also. Rock painting means, you know what is rock? Everyone know rock, isn't it? In the mountain area, in that rock side, what they will do? They scribbled something, isn't it, pa? So with the help of this dyes, they applied. Okay, ma. So we get some information about the past events. Okay, ma. So grandma, can you identify what is in this picture? Okay, can you identify this, students? In your book it is given clearly. Okay, many colorful pictures will be there, isn't it, pa? So see, in this picture, what can you identify? Students, can you identify? Just you look this picture. Everyone look this picture. What about your ideas, students? So some hunting styles will be there, isn't it? Some of them in the horse, they are moving, and the war like it is, isn't it? But somewhat differently it is. Hunting scenes actually it is. Okay, hunting scene in which men and women are taking part. Okay, women and men also taking part. Hunting scene. Okay, hunting scene means what? They will kill the animals. Okay, pa, they will kill the animals. Okay, hunting scenes will be there. Tamilini, yeah, some burned twigs are seen. Someone has drawn. Okay, someone has drawn like this. So, grandma, no, this is our ancestor handwork. In fact, it is the first art of humanity. Before the use of language, humans expressed their feelings through actions and also recorded it in rock paintings. Okay. So before and all, no languages. How they will talk? Only action only. Like that action it is. Isn't it, pa? Like that means what? Come. Okay, all the students come. Isn't it, pa? So like that it is. So before and all what? Only the ancient people, the human beings what? Through action only they express their feelings. Okay, they not have the language. Then later only languages will be the many languages. Nowadays many languages is there. Isn't it, pa? Tamil, English, Malayalam, Kannadam, isn't it? Marathi, Gujarati, etc. etc. It is. Okay, students, if you like to learn this language, it is good, isn't it? Isn't it, pa? So you learn, okay, you learn more languages, okay, not only Tamil, English, Malayalam and all, okay, so you learn more languages, okay, ma. So grandma is expressed the feelings through actions and also recorded it in rock paintings. Everything is recorded in the rock paintings, okay. Rock paintings means, in the rock side they draw some picture, okay, ma. They draw some pictures, okay, ma. Then ancient rock paintings. In India, we can see many paintings in rocks and caves. The rock paintings give some important about the past. Okay, so in India, in many side, what we can see some information. Okay, ma, we can get more information about the past events. Okay, so in this side, what approximately there are 750 caves. 750 caves, in which 500 caves have paintings. Okay, many paintings. So ancient people has hand drawn some pictures. They draw paintings in the rock side. Okay, ma. So there are many more undiscovered caves. The rock paintings depict hunting pictures of the male and the female, dancing pictures and pictures of children playing. Okay, so many hunting style only they had drawn. Then later what, ma? The female male picture also will, along with the group, they will go and kill the hunt the animals. Okay, that one also we come to know. This information also we come to know with the help of the rock paintings. Okay, ma. Then dancing pictures and pictures of children playing. This one also they have drawn in the rock side. Okay, they have drawn in the rock side. Then Tamilini. Oh, we are able to gain some knowledge about the past lifestyle through these paintings, isn't it, grandma? Okay, so we come to know, we are getting many knowledge, isn't it, pa? Through the rock paintings, isn't it? So with the help of this, we will get more the past lifestyle, how it will be, the people, humans, it will be, everyone we come to know. Grandma, you said it rightly. Tamil, this rock and cave paintings tell us many stories about our ancestors. Yes, it is correct only, isn't it? Our ancestors, how they lived, what are the food items they eat, everything we will get some information about the past with the help of the rock paintings. Okay, ma? Then Tamilini, okay, grandma, now tell me how humans reach the next stage. Okay, so Tamilini is asked how human beings is in the next stage. Okay, so in this portion I will continue into next class. Okay, ma. So before that I will give the question answer. Okay, answer the following. Answer the following. In previous class I have up to answer in one word. I have sent the notes, isn't it? Did you copy, ma? You copy it in your social book. Okay, ma. Then next, answer the following, ma. Answer the following. Totally 7 questions will be there. Today 3 questions. Just you should learn it. Okay, ma? What is evaluation? What is evaluation? Evaluation means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Okay, ma? What is evaluation? Evaluation means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Okay, ma? Answer the following questions. What is evaluation? Evaluation means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Okay, ma? Then second question, write any 2 characteristics of Homo sapiens. Write any 2 characteristics of Homo sapiens. First one, Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. They used crude stone implements. They used crude stone implements. Clear, ma? Write any 2 characteristics of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. They used crude stone implement. They used crude stone implements. Okay, ma? Then why did humans move from place to place? Why did humans move from place to place? They moved from place to place in search of food. Okay? They moved from place to place in search of food. They cultivated the land. When the fertility of the soil decreased, they moved to another place. Okay? They cultivated the land. When the fertility of the soil decreased, they moved to another place. Okay, students? Okay, everyone know? So, in these 3 questions, today you should copy it. Remaining 4 questions, next class, you should copy this. Okay, ma? So, what is evaluation? Evaluation means the process in which humankind changes and developed into an advanced stage. Write any 2 characteristics of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens had the appearance of man. Second point, they used crude stone implements. They used crude stone implements. Why did humans move from place to place, ma? They moved from place to place in search of food. They moved from place to place in search of food. Second point, they cultivated the land. When the fertility of the soil decreased, they moved to another place. Okay, why did humans move from place to place? They moved from place to place in search of food. They cultivated the land. When the fertility of the soil decreased, they moved to another place. Okay, will you study these 3 questions, ma? Will you study, students? Remaining 4 questions, I will continue into next class. Okay, ma? Then in your book exercises I have given, isn't it? Answer in grid, everyone marked. Have you all marked my answer in grid? In history lesson, that back side, page number 130, answer in grid is there. Have you seen, ma? Roman letter 10. The invention of dash made part making easier. What is the answer? Wheel. The invention of wheel, W-H-E-E-L. The invention of wheel made part making easier. Barter system means exchanging one thing for another. Barter system means exchanging one thing for another. Name any 2 weapons used by early human for hunting. Stones, bones and horns of animals. Name any 2 weapons used by early human for hunting. Stones, bones and horns of animals. Why is the best stone for making weapons? Chikki mukki kal. Which is the best stone? Sorry, students. Which is the best stone for making weapons? Chikki mukki kal. Next, towns and cities emerged because of trade and commerce. Towns and cities emerged because of trade and commerce. Which was the first scientific invention of humans? Wheel. Which was the first scientific invention of humans? Wheel. Identify the picture in rock paintings, hunting and dancing pictures. Identify the pictures in rock paintings, hunting and dancing pictures. Which was the man which was the main occupation of early humans? Hunting. Which was the main occupation of early humans? Hunting. What do cave paintings tell us? What do cave paintings tell us? Information about the past. Information about the past. Okay, ma? Then where did the early humans live? In caves. Where did the early humans live? In caves. Okay, ma? Dash is related to the field of archaeology, anthropology. Dash is related to the field of archaeology, anthropology. Name any two animals domesticated by early humans. Dogs and caves. Okay, domesticated. Dogs and dogs. Enough. Okay, name any two animals domesticated by early humans. Dogs and cow also correct. Okay, ma? So like that you can write. Okay, so this one word also you should copy it in your book. Okay, students. Okay, students. Remaining portions I will continue it in next class. Okay, ma? Thank you, students.